good morning. This is the Kitchen Fairy for another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com from snowy British Columbia still. Winter still sticking around until May normally, usually. Although this year's winter's kind of warm. However, we still get snow until later May. For today's recipe, it is a tofu fritter from Indonesia, and we call it Perkedel Tahu, but normally or originally it is deep fried. And for today's recipe, I am using air fryer. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. This is quarter cup of diced colorful baby potatoes, third cup of diced baby carrots, and then for about 3 to 4 heaping tablespoon of Chinese celery, and then this is quarter cup of green onion. We're just gonna mix this with our 1 kilogram of ground chicken. Now this is 1.5 tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're gonna add sesame oil to taste and just mix this until completely combined. And then we're gonna add cornstarch and also 2 eggs. This is 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 whole eggs, and you just want to kind of mash or mix the eggs, and then we're gonna again mix everything until completely combined. Now mash 1 block of firm tofu, and then we're gonna shape it into balls or round, and then we're gonna place the tofu ball or tofu round onto our air fryer basket. You can use 2 spoons, or if you don't want to use your hand, you can use spoons like so. Now we're just gonna air fry it. I'm choosing Mega Zone because I'm using both of the basket. And then we're gonna just air fry for 420 minutes.